I am Sheena Mehra. I am an architect cum planner from School of Planning and Architecture, New Delhi. I have worked for various residential, commercial and interior projects along with mentoring various architecture students. I will be taking the module Theory of Interior Design. I hope you will enjoy the session. Thank you. Theory of design. Theory of design deals with the concept behind any design, or in a layman's language, you can say it's the tattva in Hindi or a basic elements of design. Let me give you an example of a human body. Like our human body is made of 5 basic elements or tattva. These are earth, water, air, fire and ether. As human body is composed of these 5 elements, and without the presence of any of these elements, our body will incomplete. So the theories are permanent and are always valid, right from the ancient history to the today's modern world. So the elements behind any design or art are point, line, form, space, texture, color, light. With the absence of any of these elements, our design will be incomplete. So it is mandatory to provide all of that. Let's discuss these in detail. A point. It indicates a position in space. It is the most basic element. It has no length, width or height. Therefore, it is static and directionless. Within a visual field, it is stable and it rests at the center. But when moved off center, however, its field becomes more aggressive. So the visual tension is created. As you can see this image, to mark a position in space, a point must be projected vertically like a column, tower or obelisk. Joining 2 or more columns can form an axis, or joining 2 parts can denote path also.